Welcome back, everybody. We are staying on top of breaking news in Westmoreland County. A crash involving a logging truck, and check out the aftermath here. Sky 4, Pittsburgh's only news chopper, is live for us right now. This is over Route 217 in Derry Township. Our Sam Hall is up there in Sky 4. Sam, you've been over this for a while. I can't even imagine what the cleanup of this is going to look like.
Yeah, and I think that's the issue right now. They're trying to figure that out themselves, the first responders on the scene, what to do, how to approach it. You can see that the tractor-trailer truck that was carrying logs flipped over onto its side, dumping its load into the woods and onto a nearby property, in fact damaging this fence on that nearby property, also damaging severely a pickup truck that was traveling in the opposite direction on 217. One of the drivers from one of these vehicles was being treated on the scene. They were taken from here by ambulance about 2 or 3 minutes ago. 217, just south of Kingston Club Road here in Derry Township, Westmoreland County, does remain closed in both directions. You can get to 217 from Kingston Club Road, but you will have to turn north. More as we get it from Sky 4. Kelly and Andrew.
Thoughts obviously with those involved, and Sam, thanks for the update, and we'll keep you posted on what looks to be a monumental cleanup task there.